Okay, this is the front page of my website with the title, a short explanation and of what the objective of the website is. Scroll down, you'll find the different theories that I've used within the website. These buttons here will give you external links for more information on their bibliographies and things like that. So you can press read more, or you can press these buttons, or up here you also have some links, which is the same links as the read more and the buttons. As you go down, there's more information. There's a video also that talks about virtual reality and its uses, which is just an overview really. And then at the very bottom you find links to my pages, website pages, and then further down you will find the bibliography of just this page. Okay, so this is the first one here, my first page. This is my page of storytelling in virtual reality. It has embedded videos and information and some quotes. And then at the bottom is references for this page only. This is my page of learning in virtual worlds. Again, it has pictures, embedded videos and quotes and information. And at the bottom it has the bibliography of this page only. This is the page of using VR for mental health. Has information, quotes and embedded videos. And at the bottom again it has the bibliography for this page only. And lastly you have the bibliography of the whole website. You have the bibliography of the cover page in alphabetical order, the bibliography of storytelling in virtual reality in alphabetical order, the bibliography of learning in virtual worlds in alphabetical order, and the bibliography of using virtual worlds in mental health, and again that's in alphabetical order. And that is it for my website. These are the only pages. Thank you.